Hey guys, today we are going to do this base for resin pendants or earrings, and so I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So if you do not have your earring base ready, all you need is some cardstock or chart paper, whatever that is lying around the house, and some wire. So if you have that and glue, and you're good to go, so you can get your earring base ready. So for that we require some cardstock. Mine is about 200 GSM. So you require a cardstock and any round or whatever shape that you want. So today I'm just going to go for the round, and so I have taken the top of spray, and we need a punch, glue, and an eye pin. So if you do not have an eye pin, so all you need to do is you have a wire and kind of bend it like an L shape. And your eye pin is ready. So that's pretty much it. So you have your eye pins. So what you basically do is draw. We need 4 pieces of this circle. Just go ahead. Don't worry about the jaggedy edges. We are going to file it once we finish sticking them together. So I prefer my earrings to be a little bit smaller, so here I have 4 of these cut already. So now you need to mark a place where you want to do your punch, and then that needs to go straight. So just check where you want your, so you can see that through the hole here. Let's go and punch. You make a small cut. So all you need to do by the way, I use copper wire. So when you put with the glue, it doesn't rust. So sometimes we get iron wire and we are not sure whether it is iron or it is copper. So it's best that you go for the copper wire. So you put that extra glue and go ahead and make that sit. Add more glue. We want more glue on the edges. I'm going to add one more on top of that. And you're done. Okay, now that we have stuck, at this point you need to go and You need to align it, press it nicely, and we want it to retain the shape. So what we are going to do is going to put 3 or 4 books over it. So I would suggest that you make different shapes and put it together as one batch, so that you're not wasting time trying to do separate pieces. So that's pretty much it. Okay, once it is dry, that's how it looks. It's a little bit on the jaggedy edge. And so we're going to take a file and file it. You could also use sanding paper. Just go ahead and do that. So that's how it looks. You need to go and smoothen it some more, but if you look on the other side, it's not as good. You can see that's getting smoother. Well, once that is done, and this is what I had done with those base. So if you'd like to watch this video, my next video is up. Please check that out. Thank you guys for watching. Please share, subscribe and comment to keep me going. Bye bye.